Hi everyone, my name is Christina Curry and you are watching my very first video on my natural hair YouTube channel. Yes, I know we have a lot of natural hair YouTubers out there, but I have joined the natural hair community. The reason why I'm starting my channel is probably like everybody else's. I get a lot of questions about my hair. I did the big chop 1 year and 5 months ago. So ever since I did that, I have a lot of people asking me how do I get my curls like that, what products do I use, what's my process. When I'm protective styling, I get questions about my protective styles. They want to know where to get my hair from, do I like the hair, how did I put it in, and then I just have people in general asking me for my help. So that's my purpose for starting this channel, is to help whoever I can, because I am not a good explainer. So I figure it'd be easier for me to show them than explain it to them. Now the purpose of this video is to do a review on the spring twist that I have in my hair. Since I have gotten questions about this hair, I figured I would do a video about it, give you guys my opinions and what I think of the hair before I wash it out. So if you're interested in my review on the spring twist, then keep watching. Okay, so how I came across these spring twists is I wanted to try something different. Every time I protective style, I'll either do rope twist or Senegalese twist. I think they're pretty much the same. It might be just a little difference in how they're twisted, I guess. But anyways, those are my two favorite protective styles that I like to do. So I wanted to try something different, and this actually is my second time with this hair. I did it the very first time last year in November. So I got on YouTube and I started searching for protective hairstyles, and I came across this girl who was doing spring twists. So I watched her video, and I will actually put her video down in the description box below. And I'm not sure if she's the first one who started spring twist or not, but her video was the first one that I came across when I was doing my research. So I watched her video, saw how she did it and saw how it looked, and I fell in love with spring twist instantly, and I was like, I gotta try that. So I took the name of the company where she got her hair from. I took that name and I copied it and I put it in Amazon. She got hers from AliExpress. I've ordered from them before. It took too long for my stuff to get here, so I didn't want to order from them again. She said she got hers pretty fast, but I just didn't want to take that chance. So I put it in Amazon and I ordered it from Amazon. So it's actually the exact same company. The company is called Beyond Beauty. That's the name of the company. That's how the pack looks. And the hair is going to come in a pack like this. And I ordered the one where you get 3 of these in the pack. So I got 3 of these in the pack. And mine also came with a crochet needle. And it also came with some hair jewelry. In the pack, I think each pack comes with about 30 pieces of hair. So I watched her video, saw how she put hers in. She did the rubber band method. I tried the rubber band method. It didn't work for me, so I didn't do that. But she did the rubber band method, and she kept them just like this, and she put them in, and I mean, it was beautiful. Check out the video if you're interested in trying this. She did a good job. So I was trying to get mine to look like hers, but mine didn't come out looking like hers. I don't know what she did. I watched her video about 5 to 6 times trying to figure out how she got her hair to come out so nice, neat, and pretty. But in the end, mine never did come out like that. But anyways, I ended up going with the start the plait and then turn it into a twist method. I tried the crochet method where you plait your hair, pull it through, and then blend it. It didn't work because my plaits was showing through the actual twist. And then I also tried the other method. I don't know the name of it, but you take your hair, you part your hair in half, then you take this and you put it in the middle, twist one way, twist the other way, and then start twisting. That didn't work for me, so that's why I ended up going with the start a plait, turn it into a twist. That was the best way for me, so that's what I did. Now my opinions on this hair. I like the hair, but there's things about the hair that I don't like. What I do like about the hair is how nice and light and bouncy it is. All of my protective styles I do, the hair is heavy, so it kind of weighs my head down. This hair right here does not do that. this hair right here, I have a pretty good bit of hair in my head, and this hair right here actually feels as if I'm not even wearing any hair. So as if I was dealing with my own hair, that's how this feels on my head. So that's what I love about it. What I don't like about the hair is it says on the pack it's tangle free. For me, it was not tangle free. It did tangle up on me while I was pulling it apart, and it also tangled up on me sometimes when I was twisting it. So if it tangled up too bad, I would have to get the scissors and kind of cut the knot out so that I can continue pulling it apart or twisting it up. Another thing that I don't like about the hair is it snags very easily. So this hair will get caught on your zippers, it get caught on your jewelry, your fingernails, and it even gets caught on itself. So like, you see how they are kind of sticking together? It'll get caught on itself and it will start snagging. And then I also have hair jewelry in, so it gets caught on the hair jewelry and it'll start snagging. Whenever it starts snagging real bad, it's gonna get frizzy, and you'll have these strands, if I can find any. You'll have like these strands. I don't know if y'all can see those strands or not, but you have to end up kind of pulling them off. And I've been doing that a lot. It's probably why I don't hardly have any, but if you can see that, I don't know if you guys can see that, but strands like that, yeah, I just pull them off. If you want to get the scissors and cut them off, you can, but me personally, I just pull them off. So that's another thing that I don't like about the hair. But other than that, I have to say I like the hair. I think it would be an excellent protective style during the summertime because it's so light and nice and bouncy, and wind can get through, I guess, keep your hair cool. But yeah, so I don't know if I'll do it anytime soon. If I do this protective style again, most likely it will be during the summertime. I think I would like to try it during the summertime. Now, when she did hers, I believe she said it took her 4 hours to do her hair. I could be wrong, I'm not sure. But the very first time I did it, it took me 3 days to do my hair. Yes, you heard me right, it took me 3 days. And the reason why it took me 3 days is because I never worked with this hair before, and so it was a learning curve for me. So the thing about this hair is you have to twist it a certain way. Let me pick my hair up because it fell on the floor. But you have to twist it a certain way. Like, you have to get it in those grooves when you twist it in order for it to come out looking good. If you don't get it in those grooves, it's not going to come out looking right. And it has to be twisted in a certain direction. So for me, both times when I did my hair, it was right over left. I am not a right over left twister. I am a left over right twister. So trying to twist right over left, and it's not something that I do on a regular basis, it kind of slowed me down. So that's another reason why it took me 3 days to do it. Now, this time around, it only took me 1 day to do it, and it wouldn't have took me a whole day, but my little girl was in school, so of course I had to stop to pick her up. You got interruptions, cooking, bathing, eating, stuff like that. But had I not had all those interruptions, it would not have taken me a whole day, because I already knew how to work with it, and twisting right over left, I've gotten a lot better with it. When I did it the first time, I used Eco Styler gel to kind of smooth it down and go down with my hair so that I could blend it in with this hair. Like right now, my hair is frizzy because I've had it in for a month. I don't know if you guys can see all the frizz in my hair. My hair showing through this hair. But the way it's looking now, when I did it the first time, it looked like this after 2 weeks because I used Eco Styler gel. It didn't work. This time around, I saw other people using edge control. So this time around, I used this right here. And this worked so much better. I smoothed it down, and then I also took it and smoothed it all the way down the strands of my hair. So whenever I put the hair in, then I just kind of blended it in real good. So it worked really fine. Now, the first time around, I kept it whole like she did, and This time around, I didn't keep it whole. This time around, I actually tore it in half. And reason being is because when I left it whole, I ran out of hair and I had to order another 3-pack bundle. So I had hair left over, and the way I did it this time when I tore it apart, I just smoothed it down, because this is what I saw other people doing when I watched their videos. I just smoothed it down like this right here. And then when it got frizzy enough like that, all you have to do is just pull it apart from the middle. So just take it and pull it apart. And you want to be careful when you're pulling it apart. Don't go too fast, because I'm telling you, it will knot up. And then you just pull it on apart like that. So then one piece will turn into 2 pieces. And that's what I did. Now, some of these are thicker than the other ones. So the ones that's thick, you can do 2 pieces and they'll still turn out juicy. But the ones that are thin, if you tear them in half, they'll be too thin. So you'll just have to keep those together and make one whole. But even tearing them in half like this, they still come out to be the same size as if you were keeping it whole like this. Just maybe not the same thickness, but almost the same. So that's what I did. I tore mine in half, and I ended up using the 2 packs that I had left and some of the 3rd pack. And as you can see, I still got hair left. So tearing it in half is what I should have did the first time, but I wanted mine to look like hers, and unfortunately it didn't come out looking like hers. All her twists were nice, neat, and uniformed, and that's how I was trying to get mine. Mine didn't come out like that. I get some that would come out, see if I can find it. I get some that would come out, you know, neat, pretty like this, and then I would get some that would come out kind of looking crazy. So that bothered me the very first time, because of the fact I like for my hair to look a certain way. But this time around, I already knew what to expect, so it really didn't bother me. And also, whenever you get the hair, you see the length that it is. This is what it stretches out to be. This is the length it's going to stretch out to be. Now, some of the videos I saw, they were saying they didn't want it this short, so the way that they made theirs longer, you can make it longer, and the way they made it longer, they took the 2 pieces and they just overlapped them. So they overlap them like that, and then it'll make it longer. And as you twist it too, it's going to stretch. So if you don't want it too long, then just overlap it a little bit more like that, and then you can get it the length that you want it to. Now, the way I took care of this, I have to be honest, I kind of didn't do a good job taking care of this like I should have. I've had this in for a month, and y'all, I did not wash my hair. Yes, I know, shame on me. I didn't wash my hair. I can be lazy sometimes, and yeah, I didn't wash my hair because usually I'll wash my hair after 2 weeks of protective styling, and then I'll put it back in. But this hair was a lot of work, and I didn't feel like taking it all out, washing my hair, making all of those parts back again, and then putting the hair back in. And then I didn't want to wash it while I had the hair in, because I know you could do that too. But I didn't want to wash it while I had the hair in, because I knew my hair was going to start back reverting, and then that was going to make it frizzy. So the way it's looking now, it would have been looking like that again, and I would have been mad. So I didn't wash it. It is dirty. I am ready to wash it. But what I did do when my scalp got dry, I put this coconut oil on it. And I put that on it to kind of keep my scalp moisturized. But that's all I did to it besides tying it up at night. And I'm going to take this little ponytail holder out so you can see. Bear with me. It's old, so the little strands that I was telling you about, they're kind of getting tangled around my ponytail holder. So it's getting stuck. I got it, but yeah, it's old. See, those pieces I was telling you guys about, that right there happens a lot from getting snagged on other stuff, and you just pull it off. But this is the hair and I like it. I really do. I will do it again. I said I wasn't going to do it again after that first time because it was so hard for me to learn how to work with it. But then because I had those packs left over, I was like, no, that's money sitting down there in my closet, so couldn't let money sit in the closet. So that's the reason why I put them back in this time. But this is the hair, and this is how it looks. Of course it's frizzy now, but this is how it looks, and I like it. As you can see, nice, light, and bouncy. So yep. So if you've ever heard of spring twist, or even if you hadn't and you're thinking about giving it a try, I would say it's definitely worth giving it a try. It definitely is worth it. And I will be doing this again during the summertime, and whenever I do it, I will do a video on it showing you guys how I put mine in. So that's all I have for this video. I hope it's helpful to someone, and if you're thinking about trying it, then leave me a comment and let me know. And also, if you figure out a way to do your hair, keep your hair clean while it's in this style right here, if you try it and you figure out how to keep your hair clean while it's in this style right here, please let me know. That way the next time I do this, I can keep my hair clean like I'm supposed to. I have had it in for a month now, so I am going to take this out and wash my hair. That will be my next video, will be my wash day routine. So if you guys want to check that out, it will be getting posted very soon. So that's all I have for this video. Like, comment, and the most important thing of all is subscribe to my channel. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you guys like me enough that you will subscribe to my channel and you'll want to see more of my videos. And if you do subscribe to my channel, I will love you very, very much, and I will appreciate you so much, and I will help you in the best way that I can. So until my next video, with love from my heart to yours. Hi everyone, my name is Christina Curry, and mine just went blank. Hi everyone, my name is Christina Curry, and welcome to my first video. Nope. Hi everyone, welcome to my, darn it man, 10 plus years. I am a newbie, and that is not what I want to say. Oh shoot. So I'm not saying don't protective style. I'm not saying don't wash your hair when you're, Lord, I tell you, too far into the video for this.